welcome or welcome back to my cloud. In today's video I'm going to unbox my H&M order from their latest designer collab with The Vampire's Wife. I'm just going to open it up because I can't wait any longer. So this is the first item and I think it's the dress. I'm so looking forward to feel the fabric because I want to know if it's like a very cheap lace, and that won't look nice at all. So let's see. Ooh, it has paddings on the shoulders. I can already feel it. To be honest, this looks really good actually. To be honest, I love it. This is how the dress looks like. It's very short. It's very high neck, so if you don't like that like me, it's a little bit annoying. The fabric is not itchy at all. It's really not that bad. I love the shoulders and it's like see-through on the sleeves, which is great. I think it looks super cute. The next item I got is the cape, and I just want to try it on right now. Look at that. There's just one thing I really want to do right now, and that's this. My dad will be like, oh, Sophie, what did you order? I wouldn't wear it like this, but look at that. So there are 2 items left. I got the gloves. And I'm just going to take this little package. I'm going to open up the gloves in a bit, but I really wanted to look at the ladybug earrings. So these are the ladybug earrings and they are adorable. Is this going to be too much Halloween or not? It's also the same fabric as the dress and the cape. This is how the glove looks like. I think the gloves are size extra small and the cape is also extra small. I have another H&M package here. It's very small and it's the collar. My favorite item from the collection, although I really like the cape now, so maybe the cape is my favorite. But there was something wrong when I tried to order it. It wasn't showing up, so I thought it's not going to be available in Belgium. But then I checked Instagram. It was a problem in every country or a lot of countries. So a couple hours later, I checked the app again and I could order it. Is it too much? Probably. This is how the collar looks like. So that's it for this week's video. I hope to see you again next week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also let me know if I should style these items a little bit more wearable in a lookbook or something. Leave it in the comments below and I see you again next week. Bye bye.